Are you angry with me for stabbing you?
You betrayed me, John. We could have conquered the whole world together.
I take this man.
I take this woman.
What a lovely meal.
The children seem to be enjoying it too.
They're growing so fast.